Many people still have terrible offers and or terrible lead magnets.
Oh man. Well, if you don't know, my name's Roman Peshke. I run a $22,000 a month AI business, and today is going to be breaking down the lead magnet that I am working on because, like most of us, it's been subpar in the past. So I'm going to break down the idea behind what I'm doing for this, what it will look like on the back end coming off of this, and what I am hoping to generate for the business. So this PDF is a lead magnet. It's a case study lead magnet, breaking down one of our past clients who went from $3,000 a month to $45,000 a month, just implementing our business system in his martial arts school. So this is diving in, basically talking to the target avatar right here, our ideal customer profile, speaking their language, and then a little what is who's this for, what you'll see inside, little pre-frame right there. Then we jump into the story of the actual business owner themselves, do a little bit of storytelling there, try to emotionally resonate with other business owners who are in the same spot as the guy here. Just connect with them on an emotional level, trying to speak to them in such a way so that they think like, wow, these are kind of my thoughts. This is what I'm telling myself. And if we can key into that, we become a whole lot more persuasive. And so that's kind of the whole goal of diving into the story there. Really trying to connect on the pain that a lot of these guys go through and show the path, paint the path out with just enough information to be useful. But not giving them the exact implementation, because of course we are giving away the information and then we will sell the implementation on the back end. Hopefully that all made sense. If it didn't, let me know. More than happy to clear that up. So anyways, breaking down his story, basically a little bit of a hero's journey, I suppose. Now, I'm not going to lie, I'm not a very good storyteller, so I couldn't even tell you all the stages in the hero's journey. But starting out with where he started at, the problems he was facing, a little bit of a rock bottom moment as he had to deliver for Amazon in order to keep the lights on. Then the big shift that changed everything for him, which was just kind of following along with the coaching and implementing the business systems. And then where he is now, which is this dude literally stuffs bags, trash bags in backpacks full of wads of cash. He doesn't now he invests it, but he was stuffing backpacks full of wads of cash because he didn't know what to do with all of the money that he was making, because he was used to not making any money. So that's why I picked him out as an example. We have a couple of case studies that we could have run, but I really do like his story, just because driving for Amazon to keep the lights on is brutal, and I think stuffing trash bags full of cash is pretty funny. Anyway, I threw in some cool graphics and stuff, which I'm not like super in love with, but I think they kind of help illustrate the points. Then we dive into our unique mechanism, which are the 5 levers that we pull in the business to help them basically run a profitable business. So student magnets, which is just like 3 types of offers that we put on the front end. We have like what we run in ads, what we have on their website, and then some reactivation offers that we run to their existing lists. And so we call those student magnets. Lever 2, lead generation. That would be taking that kind of attention and putting a vehicle to actually capture the leads from it. So you might have your student magnet, which is like your paid trial, but the way that you make use of having that offer conceptualized is you spend money on Facebook, you create content, or you actually send messages to that list to run the reactivations, or you do some boots on the ground, VIP passes, or run booths, events, and stuff like that. So that is lever 2. Lever 3, lead nurture. So that's just like the follow-up cadence, the calls, the texts, the emails, everything to turn those leads into actual people walking in the door. Lever 4 is day one enrollment, which we actually use a bit of a unique sales process. I mean, it's not super unique, but it's unique to the martial arts business space, which is we enroll them on day one on what's called an outcome-based membership instead of a month-to-month membership. Basically, paint a big, bold goal for the child in front of the parent, get them out on the mat with them so they can see that big old shift in confidence right in front of them. And then you pop them for like over $500 on that very first visit, which makes the ads profitable from day one. Then the fifth lever is this 30-day student journey, which we basically choreograph the first 30 days of a student being enrolled at a martial arts school so that it not only reinforces the decision to enroll, but it also preps them for an upsell on day 30. So we basically reinforce a bunch of positive behaviors in them by highlighting them in their first 5 classes. And then we make sure the parents are there to see that so they can see that their kid's crushing it. And then we award them a Black Belt Club upgrade presentation on that 5th class there. And then we leverage that, the fact that the parents are there to see them get the award. We leverage both of those to actually set up the upsell and set that meeting. And then part of the upgrade invitation is like a voucher for making the decision now rather than later. And then there are a couple other mechanics that go into it. But the end result is you collect way more cash in the first 30 days, making it a much more profitable business model. You also end up keeping all of your students a lot longer because they're if they take the upgrade, they're on like a 36-month membership now, and they've really like set their sights on a big far off goal rather than doing some like random month-to-month program. And so the stuff works. And so that's what this lead magnet is all about. You hook them in with a big old emotional story, and then we dive into the unique mechanisms and just try to educate the audience about the whole thing. So why am I doing this in the first place? Because we are currently running just like a direct call funnel, and that is great for scooping up kind of the easy sales. But lead costs are starting to rise just because we're kind of tapping a good amount of that like bottom of funnel, super ready to purchase audience that are also cheap. So I'm not going to say they're not all there, but all the like extremely cheap ones, a lot of them are getting scooped up. And so how can we solve that problem? We can take more people that are in the different stages of awareness up towards the top of the funnel and start to educate them and then help them travel down to that bottom of funnel stage. So that is the job of this lead magnet. It is to educate and inform the unaware people about what is possible and just shove a bunch of proof down their throats. That way they know it works. Additional to this, we have a video of this guy talking about the whole thing. And so probably going to embed a hyperlink somewhere on here. And the plan for that is to take them to like a hosted page on the website that has that case study along with a bunch of our other video testimonials below it and a calendar so they can book right there. So just like another little entry point into the calendar. And then of course we have a direct call to action at the end of the lead magnet where it's like, hey, if you made it this far, blah, 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 you want help implementing this into your school, does it make sense? Book a call with our team. So that's it. I think I covered all my points. Yeah, so that's what it is, how I plan to use it. I'm going to put it in ads. What I expect to gain from it, I expect to get more people from the top of funnel awareness stage down further in the pipeline. And that means more money, more guap in the pocket right there. So this stuff is pretty fun. And this bad boy isn't even the big kahuna that I'm working on. So this is like a quick lead magnet to get out. And then the behemoth that I am putting together will probably be north of 100 pages, which will be like a way bigger deep dive into that 5-lever system that I was just talking about, with just like real tactics and strategies to just slam them with a bunch of solutions to problems that they may be having in their business. Then after that, there'll probably be a lot of content created off the back end of that, both to run as ads and just in general to drive some organic traffic. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you lovely folks on the next one. Peace.